Hello everyone, it's Yolanda Renee, and today I'm coming to you guys with my current twist out routine, and I'm kind of focusing on my twisting pattern. It's really simple, and I think if you guys try this out, you will have flawless results every time. So if you're interested, keep on watching. I'm starting on clean hair but not freshly washed hair, and I like to style my hair in its stretched state. So right now my hair is just stretched from wearing my twist under my wig, and the first section I'm going to be doing a flat twist in the front, and I make a part down the middle. So I do one side of my head first, and then I do the same thing on the opposite side. But right now I am just doing a flat twist. And as far as products go, I put water first and finger detangle, and then I add the curl defining cream, and then I'll comb it with my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush and just twist. And I'm doing a bantu knot initially just so the twist can really be, set, so it's not too loose and unravels. So I keep it in bantu knots the whole time I'm twisting the rest of my hair. We completed the flat twist in the front, so now I'm doing the back section, and I simply do 3 big chunky twists in the back, one in the very back, one in the middle, and then one at the top. And it's still the same process: water, curl defining cream, and detangling with my brush. And then we are just going to twist it. But I also wanted to let you see how this product works. Like, this curl defining cream is everything. It really agrees with my strands. And I like to get my hair, I really like to get my hair really defined before I start twisting, because I find that if you get your curls popping and clumped up a bit before you start twisting, once your hair is dry and you take it down, those sections are going to be the most defined and less frizzy and easier to separate. And you'll notice I'll keep pulling out the detangling brush if I notice the curls are becoming too frizzy, because I want it to stay nice and tame the whole way down. Yes, Ryan, we're filming or doing voiceovers. I'm finishing up the last twist and putting it in a bantu knot, and now we have a total of 3 chunky twists and 1 flat twist. And now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side of my head. We are all complete, and here is a better view of our twisting pattern. We have 2 flat twists in the front and 3 chunky ones in the back. Well, a total of 6, honestly. Here's a view of the back. Now it's time to take our twist down. I always put an oil blend on my fingertips before separating, just because I feel like it avoids any frizz or, messing up your curls. If you notice right here, you can see how easily I'm able to separate in those areas where it just naturally separates. You don't want to force it because that's when frizz happens. I mean, but if you're okay with a little bit of frizz, then go ham. But I try to be careful at first, and I kind of frizz it up on purpose once my hair is more stretched and I'm ready to go in with an Afro pick. But while I'm separating, I like to keep it as tamed as possible so I can be in control of the frizz, you know what I mean? Speaking of frizz, I kind of messed the front up, but to fix that, all you have to do is kind of twirl it around your finger and it should fix it. Look at all this definition. I'm telling you, whenever I use this product, I have consistent results. And if you want to keep your hair defined like this, you can. But me personally, I love to separate the curls even more to have more curls and to add some body and some volume. So as you can see here, I'm just, again, looking where the hair naturally wants to separate. I'm not forcing it apart because that's when you will start getting too much frizz. I'm all done separating my hair. Now I'm just going to pull this one curl forward just to leave it alone. But the rest of it I'm going to stretch with my blow dryer. I always blow dry on a high heat at the root. And then I cool it down with the cool setting to really make sure I get as much stretch as possible. Now I'm ready to pick my roots with an Afro pick. As soon as I pull out the pick, I immediately get more volume just to make my fro bigger and really get the curls to be more uniformed and shaped properly. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this process. I have lots and lots of more content coming. I'm literally editing like 6 videos right now, me and Ryan. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload. Mwah.